Hey Sam, how's it going?
Hey Noha. I'm good, just a bit tired. How about you?
Same here, long week at work. Any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I was thinking of going for a hike on Saturday morning. The weather is supposed to be nice. Want to join?
That sounds great. I haven't been hiking in a while. Where are you planning to go?
Maybe Blue Ridge Trail. It's about an hour's drive from here, but the view from the top is amazing.
Nice. What time are you heading out?
I was thinking around 7 a.m. to beat the heat. Is that too early for you?
AM on a Saturday? That's tough, but I'll try. Do I need to bring anything special?
Just water, some snacks, and comfortable shoes. Oh, and sunscreen.
Got it. Sounds like a plan.
Awesome. So, how's work been for you lately?
Pretty hectic. We had a big project deadline yesterday, so I've been working late all week.
That sounds exhausting. Are you at least happy with how the project turned out?
Yeah, it went well. The client was happy, so that's a relief. What about you? How's work?
Not too bad. Just the usual tasks, but I'm trying to learn some new skills on the side.
Oh yeah? Like what?
I started learning graphic design. It's something I've always been interested in.
That's cool. Are you taking a course or just learning on your own?
A bit of both. I found some online tutorials, and I'm practicing with the design software.
Nice. Maybe you can show me some of your designs sometime.
Sure, I'm still a beginner, but I'd love to get some feedback.
Definitely. By the way, have you seen that new sci-fi movie everyone's talking about?
Not yet. I was planning to watch it this weekend.
Me too. Maybe we can go together after the hike?
Sounds like a perfect Saturday. Hike in the morning, movie in the evening.
Agreed. All right. I should get going. See you Saturday at M.
See you then. Don't oversleep.
Have you been reading anything interesting lately?
Yes, I just finished a mystery novel. It was so good I couldn't put it down.
Nice. What's it called?
It has an amazing twist at the end. You should read it.
Oh, I've heard of that one. I love psychological thrillers. I'll definitely check it out.
You should. What about you? Reading anything lately?
I started Atomic Habits. It's about how small changes can lead to big results.
Oh, I've seen that book everywhere. Is it worth reading?
Definitely. It has a lot of practical tips for building good habits.
Sounds interesting. I might give it a try.
You should. By the way, I just tried this new Italian restaurant downtown. The pasta was amazing.
Ooh, I love Italian food. What's the name of the place?
It's called La Bella Vita. Their homemade pasta is so fresh.
That sounds delicious. Maybe we can go there together sometime.
Absolutely. Let's plan a dinner night.
That would be great. Speaking of food, do you cook much?
Sometimes, I like cooking, but I'm not very good at it.
Same. I try, but I always end up making a mess.
Haha, what's your go-to dish when you cook?
Probably stir fry. It's quick and easy.